Let's go!
Day in our life as a student. Welcome to the world of computers.
How will work and live?
Welcome to our exploration of the incredible capabilities of computers. And today, digital age, these machines are not just tools. They are extension of our own ability, enhancing speed, accuracy, and reliability in every field.
First up, speed. Computers can process data and perform calculations far beyond human capability. What takes us hours can be completed in seconds, allowing us to focus on what truly matters.
Next is accuracy. Computer minimize human error when programmed correctly. They execute tasks with precision, ensuring that the results are reliable and exactly as is intended.
Reliability is another cornerstone of computer functionality. This machine operates consistently, providing dependable performance day in and day out. When you need results, you can trust that your computer will deliver.
Speaking of consistency, computers excel at repeating tasks without fatigue. Whether it's data entry or complex calculation, their performance remains unchanged, ensuring that every output meets the same high standard.
Storage capacity is another vital feature. Today's computers can hold vast amounts of data, allowing users to store everything from personal memories to extensive databases with ease.
Diligence is an inherent quality of computers. They tirelessly execute commands and process, never wavering in their commitment to completing tasks, enabling users to be more productive.
Automation is revolutionizing industries. Computers take on repetitive tasks, freeing human workers to engage in more creative and strategic roles. This shift not only enhances efficiency but also fosters innovation.
Versatility is perhaps one of the most impressive traits of computer. From graphic design to scientific research, they adapt to a multitude of tasks, proving to be involvable in every sector.
Finally, let's talk about the imposition of a formal approach to working methods. Computers enable organizations to standardize processes, ensuring that tasks are completed systematically and efficiently. This structure enhances productivity and streamlines operations. In conclusion, the power of computers lies in their speed, accuracy, reliability, consistency, storage, diligence, automation, versatility, and the ability to impose a formal approach to working methods.
Embracing these capabilities allows us to unlock new levels of potential in both of our personal and professional lives.
Thank you.